Heat press machines allow users to transfer custom designs to accessories, including hats, shirts, mugs, throw pillows, and more. Although many hobbyists use an ordinary household iron for small projects, an iron can't always deliver the best results. There are many products available to choose the best heat press machine, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press. The Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press is a clamshell-style machine that's perfect for making custom prints on shirts, totes, or any flat surface substrate. It features a 15 by 15-inch working area with a non-stick silicone pad. Although clamshell heat presses are not the best style for thick materials, the Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press has an adjustable pressure system to handle the pressure needed for materials of various thicknesses. With a heavy-duty steel frame and dedicated timer and heat controllers, this heat press machine works well for hobbyists and small businesses. Number 2. Cricut EasyPress Mini. A full-size heat press is just too big for customizing smaller items like shoes, hats, or pockets. The Cricut EasyPress Mini is designed to transfer heat transfer vinyl onto small surfaces. The press features a ceramic plate that distributes even heat with 3 settings that can heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety features include an insulated base and automatic shutoff. A mini heat press is perfect for those who work mostly with small items. Although it can reach the temperature required for sublimation transfer, the heat press is designed to be used only with Cricut infusible ink products. Number 3. PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital Heat Press. The PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital Heat Press's heavy-duty construction makes it suitable for both home and business use. With a 15 by 15-inch Teflon-coated heating plate and silicone mat, this clamshell-style heat press is particularly useful for designing t-shirts and other flat materials in bulk. Capable of reaching temperatures up to 455 degrees Fahrenheit, it also can complete sublimation transfers. In addition to a user-friendly LCD screen that allows digitally setting the temperature and timer, this heat press has an adjustment knob that allows users to fine-tune the pressure on the panel, ensuring the right amount of pressure is applied on various materials with little effort. Number 4. Cricut Mug Press. This Cricut Mug Press uses the company's proprietary infusible ink technology to transfer designs on polyurethane-coated ceramic mugs. The machine can detect the ambient temperature in its surroundings and automatically adjust for the optimum heat and pressure settings to create a perfect transfer. Although it comes with a hefty price tag, the mug press makes it easy to create a dishwasher and microwave-safe mug with a smooth, glossy finish. A Cricut cutting machine and Cricut's infusible ink are required to use this machine, making this mug press best suited for those who already own Cricut products. Number 5. F2C 5-in-1 Pro Heat Press Machine. The F2C 5-in-1 Pro multifunction heat press machine comes with various attachments, allowing the ability to customize mugs, pads, hats, and t-shirts. This multifunctional machine includes a shirt press bed, cap press equipment, a cylindrical heating bed for mugs, and circular heating discs for plates. It can be used with heat transfer vinyl and sublimation transfers. A 360-degree swing-away design with a digital LED controller, non-stick surface, and detachable aluminum alloy cradle allow users to quickly swap heat platens. Genuinely an all-in-one machine, the F2C 5-in-1 Pro Heat Press is a quality choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as